Hello, my name is Melanie Castrillo. This course is phonetic. In this video, I will pronounce English consonant, vowels, and diphthong sound. We begin with consonants. Number 1. Symbol, name, voiceless, pronunciation, word, think. Number 2. Symbol, name, voice, the, pronunciation, the, with voice, word, those. Number 3. Symbol, name, voice, labiodental, fricate, pronunciation, the, word, voice. Number 4. Symbol, name, English R sound, pronunciation R, R. Word, red, red. Symbol, name, sh sound, pronunciation sh, word, she. Symbol, name, voice, sh, 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 sound, pronunciation sh, word, measure. Symbol is number 7. Symbol, name, ch, sound, pronunciation ch, ch, word, chair. Symbol, name, j sound, pronunciation job, job. Word, job. 9. Symbol, name, sound, pronunciation word, sing, sing. 10. Symbol, name, sound, pronunciation word, house, house. Okay, now go the next. We have the vowels. Okay, symbol, name, long E, pronunciation E, word, C. Symbol, name, short E, pronunciation E, word, sit. Symbol, name, E sound, pronunciation E, word, bed, bed. Symbol, name, A sound, pronunciation word, cat, cat. Symbol, name, long pronunciation word, car. Symbol, name, short O, pronunciation word, hot. Symbol, name, long O, pronunciation word, cold, old. Okay. Symbol, name, short U, pronunciation word, book. Symbol, name, long U, pronunciation word, food, food. Okay. Symbol, Name, sound. Pronunciation, Word, cup, cup. Symbol, name, sound. Pronunciation, Word, bird, bird. Symbol, name, schwa. Pronunciation, soft. Word, about, about, out. Okay? Now let's talk about the diphthongs. Okay? Okay. Symbol, name, a sound. Pronunciation, a. Word, day. Symbol, name, I sound. Pronunciation, I. Word, my. Symbol, name, I sound. Pronunciation, I. Word, boy, boy. Symbol, name, O sound. Pronunciation, O. Word, no, no. Symbol, name, O sound. Pronunciation, O. Word, go, go. Symbol, name, ear sound. Pronunciation, ear, ear. Word, ear, ear. Symbol, name, ear sound. Pronunciation, ear, ear. Word, air, air. Symbol, name, or sound. Pronunciation, or. Word, chur, chur. And finally, the short tongue twister. The distinctive sound that those boys were very sharp, but the brave joker quickly changed the strange shape. Okay, we reached the end of our video. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.